Hello, mathematicians. Very excited to go over your work today. Quickly going over A and B because I think you guys are becoming experts in this, showing that expanded notation of 235. 200 plus 30 plus 5. Again, writing that equation, I know that word gives. She was giving away, so I know that action is going to be subtraction. Again, here's my total. I'm subtracting a part. I'm going to be left with another part that is smaller than my total. Good job. So that's always a thing that I can do to check my work. So thinking about the strategies I've used all week, I want us to really think about what strategies you could use. Knowing that I can subtract, but also knowing I can add up to, starting with that smaller number. And then different models, I can decompose, I can use a number line. So knowing what I did the previous 2 days, I kept 235 intact. I did not break that bigger number up, but I did break up 158 and I took away, decomposed, and made big jumps. So 235 minus my 100 got me to 135. 135 minus 30 got me to 105. 105 minus 20 got me to 85. 85, then I broke 8 into 5 and 3 to be friendlier jumps. 85 minus 5 got me to 80. 80 minus 3 got me to 77. And here I'm proving this was all 158 if you add that all up and box around my answer. Again, always another strategy. So I'm going to try adding up this time, starting at my small number and adding up to my bigger number. So starting at 258, I jumped 2 as my friendly number to get to 160. I made a big jump of 40 to get me to another landmark number, 200. Jumped 30 to get to 230. And remembering I'm only getting to 235, I jumped 5 and that got me to 235. Then I added up all this middle. 40 plus 30 is 70. 5 plus 2 is 7. 70 plus 7 is 77. So I can check and say, great work, Mrs. Nadler. 2 times I was able to get the right answer using 2 different strategies. Why don't we try another one? If I can add up, I know I can also subtract. So starting at 235, I worked myself back. Jumped back 100, got me to 135. I wanted to take a big jump to get to that landmark number of 100. Went back 35 to get to 100. Jumped back 20, got to 80. And here again, I'm going 100, 135, 155. I only have to jump back 3 because I'm taking away 158. Jump back 3 and that got me to 77. So this was my 235 minusing the 158 up top. And that got me to my answer here. Whereas my answer, when I added, was up top, was that in the middle. I wonder what you guys did and if you're able to check, and I can put a check here, if you found any mistakes and was able to go back and fix your work. That's always awesome when you can revise your work. So way to go, you guys.